How to fix Redmi Note 13 not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable will be work properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger and cable. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that, and then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then click on about phone and click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your latest version will update or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.